Welcome to the Legovesting, which is MOK, my own creation. And this is right here, as you can see, this is the small left, just to show you the grand scale of this humongous MOC. Now, when I created this original MOC, I used elements of an actual pirate ship, and then I added a lot of extra details to this. I just want to show you guys what I mean by this specific MOC, what is included in it, and why it is so great. So first of all, here is the captain location, and there is this compass that is right on top of the steering wheel right here. A lot of minifigures that are gathered up all around, including a telescope right here so they can look at the stars. Now, we have a diver right there. Interestingly enough, so what it is, it's right under here. There's actually a treasure chest, and when you open it up, you see this is old school treasure right inside of it. It's right on the back of this. So he's standing right on top of this. Now if you're looking at it, you can see barn doors right there. And that gets you inside the captain's quarter, which is humongous area right in here. Now, when you look in here, there is one window right there. There is another window right over here as well. You can see right there, there's another window all the way in there. This is what the steering wheel of the ship moves, actually. Interestingly enough as well, this has amazing amount of cannons to it. Up to 8 of them actually. If you lift them up, you can see them right here. 4 of them on one side. There's 4 on the other side as well. And they're all over there on platforms. So this is a lot of cannons for a very small ship. There is also a prisoner quarter right here as well, right underneath the bow of the ship. So the bad guy would be trapped right in here. Not a great place to be in. Now, the wheel of the ship, the front area of it, is right here. And there's weapons all over the place. Here are some shooters right here as well. Interestingly also, right under this area, if you go right inside here, there's another compartment for the captain to get into. Now, it's very hard to see it, but there's windows right underneath it, so he can actually go in there as well. There's another diver and another minifigure cleaning the deck of this one. If you want to look at all the way at the top of the ship, you can see right at the top there is a dude standing on top of it. This is the highest point, almost the highest point of the actual ship. Actually, this is a little bit high right here. So he can see everything. He has 2 guns pointing right at me. I guess he doesn't like me that much. And let's go back on the bottom and see all the people who are manning the ship. So this is the captain right there. This dude right here is the captain. That's his assistant right here. And the other assistant as well. All the weapons with some other accessories are right here, including a pallet right there as well. Lots of cool stuff too. Now if you keep on looking, there's minifigures, and there is even a monkey. I don't know if you noticed that there was a monkey here too. If you keep on looking, you can see all kinds of cool things, just lots of attention to details. The ship itself, if you can see this, it is made out of old school. I love the old school pieces. They don't make this like this anymore, unfortunately. So that makes it really awesome. And here it is. This is where the bad guy actually can sit in. That's his compartment. And it is kind of torture to be in there because the water waves go right inside the ship. So you don't want to be in this punishment room right here. In fact, everything here is open too. Not good, you know, all the water, if it gets in here, you're going to get super wet. On the other hand, the captain having a good day inside of here. Now it is not totally waterproof either, because there's windows right here too. That's going to get you wet. So you can actually put something on top of this and close it up if you really wanted to, potentially. I didn't include an option to do this. And worse about this is just this window right here, which could also be boarded up if you really want to make the ship a little bit safer from water. So this is it. This is my mega pirate ship that I have created with parts and pieces from different kind of Lego sets, and that's how it looks like. It is actually a pirate ship, but I added a lot of minifigures to this. They're not the best pirate minifigures I could find, but I like them because they're old school right here. So if anybody really wants to dare create something like this, go ahead. I super, double, triple, whatever, quadruple, double dare you. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. There's other awesome videos here as well. Enjoy the work of this ship and see how many pirates are in here. Let's see if you can really count them up and find out what is really the total amount of pirates that are included on the ship itself. If you're interested, write down right below how many pirates you actually see in here, and I will tell you what is the correct answer. Have a great day and happy building and happy Legovesting.